Hello, you sick, deranged, mentally disturbed people. Today, we give rise to a new series of tutorials. That's right. This is part of the how to make that sound, yes. But in this series, these 10 episodes, we are going to make kick and bass combos using the kick and bass gel synth machine from Mind Doctors Make Acid. That's right. 10 kick and bass combos. Yes, by the end of this series, you'll get a full sample pack with the kicks and the bass in separate. The bass with the short and the long notes. And you'll get an extra kicks. Besides the ones that you're gonna listen here, you're gonna add some extra ones. Okay? So, to the owners of Kick and Bass Gel, each video will have its patch, a link to its patch on the description below. That's right. So if you don't have Kick and Bass Gel, you better get it now. Okay, let's start with the first one. In this first one, we're gonna start in D, the key of D. Yes, then we're gonna go up the keyboard all the way up to B. I'm not gonna do C and C sharp because that would be 12, and I don't like C or C sharp. Freaking pussy's roots notes. It's like too used in pop music. Like that crap. Right? So let's start. Sampled kicks are for losers. Damn right, bro. Be original. Make your own kick with the Mind Doctors Make Acid Kick Gel Synth Machine.
Hello guys, so today we're gonna work in D, note D. So, let's first start with our kick. Yeah, before we start, I just want to show you something here on my span. If you look below my mouse, where my mouse pointer is, you'll see the note change. You see the note F, E, D sharp, D, etc. And right below my mouse, where my mouse pointer is now, you see the frequency. So if we analyze the frequency and the note, if I go from the beginning of the spectrum and up, and I'm looking for my D. So if you look at the note, we have at A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D. Right. So D. This first D, if you look at the frequency there, it's 36 hertz, right? 36, 37 hertz is where our first D is. Which means that's not going to be listened to. So we can't really use our kick so low in D. Because when it gets to the mastering stage, it's more likely that it's going to be cut at 40 hertz. In commercial dance music, the usual cut is at 32 hertz. But in psytrance, most there's a lot of mastering engineers that cut it at 40 hertz. So really, there's no point in having it there. Plus, in little systems like mobiles and small speakers at home, you won't listen to it. So the kick would disappear basically, at least the low end of it. But if we look for our second D in the spectrum, if we go up F sharp, G, A, B, C, C sharp, D, our second D is at around 75 hertz, as you can see. So that's where I'm going to have my kick and my bass main frequency. Although I'm not going to use my first bass harmonic in the second D at 75 hertz because I'll need something for my sub low frequencies as well. So I'm gonna use my bass at this 37 first D, 37 hertz, like we saw. Although I'm gonna use the second harmonic, which is gonna hit this area, this 75 hertz area, the second D in the spectrum, as my main focus for my bass, which is gonna complement himself with my kick. So if we're going to our machine and start by tuning our kick to our note, which is D. So if I just play my kick, let me see, I'll play my kick. And I start moving about with the low, and you see this low moving. So I'll just leave this in D so I know where I am. And I'll use my VCR to bring my kick low to its place. So my VCR is controlling this control here, this parameter, the low parameter, and I'm gonna control the high parameter. And I'm looking for the next D close to my high end. And it's around there at 2.3K. So I'll use my VCR again. I'm happy with that sound. Shape it a little bit with T sweep and V sweep. With fade. Okay, I like to have my kick hitting -15. I think I need some more punch in my kick, so I'm gonna activate the compressor. Nice. Hitting -15 already. So now as I introduce my bass, I want to go to -12, but let's see how well my bass sounds for now. It's not bad. I'm using a ramp. Like I said, I want to make emphasis in this second harmonic, the second D. And if you look at my bass, the second D is it's lower than the first D. So I'm going to go to my bass and control the second harmonic exactly. So if I go to my attenuators section, to my bass section here, and I choose my second harmonic, so number 2, second harmonic, and I turn it on, and give it attenuate it a little bit, and give it a little bit of gain, you'll see that this second harmonic will raise. As you can see, now the second harmonic has a lot more emphasis. Let's just narrow it. Lower the volume a little bit. Let's place my kick in there again. I want to go down to -12 dB again. I think my bass needs its filter open a little bit. Yep. Let's see if any distortion will help here. Kind of like that high end bit. I got an overlapping note. Let's see how glide behaves. It's nice. So now let's try some I-band pass chorus for our bass. It's too much. Now I like it narrowed down a little bit like this. Maybe some I-band distortion. Now actually it's quite good as it is. Just want my kick to come out a little bit maybe. Oh yes, I'm forgetting my sidechain. Let's make them fit each other better with just a little bit of sidechain. Let's try high pass sidechain. Quite nice. Okay, that's our first patch in D. So I'm gonna save this and make samples for you guys and save the patch for the guys who do have the KickNBassGel. See you on the next one.
Can you please? You don't have to say please, young man. And you know what? Bass gel is also good for psytrance. Are you okay? Don't waste any more time. Get the bass gel right now from minddoctorsmakeacid.com. I hope you like that. And I hope you learned something. And I hope you use that patch and make some great tracks. That's right, I want you to make some great tracks. Yes. Another thing that I want you to do is to donate to my website. To donate to my channel through my website. Follow me on Twitter, SoundCloud, and Facebook. Subscribe to this channel. And if you understand Portuguese, you can subscribe to my other Portuguese channel, Doutor Audio Mental. He's a nutter, he is. So go and do that. Remember, I'm doing mixing, mastering, and I'm giving lessons online through Skype. So check that out as well, and check the other scenes. Remember, if you buy KickNBassGel, you get Kick Gel and you get Bass Gel in separate. Okay? So it's 3 machines for 25 pounds. So what are you waiting for? Just get it. There's nothing like it. There's no other machine in the market that does this. Kick and bass at the same time. Who would have thought of that? Only the crazy mind doctor. That's right. Yes, me. So go on and do that. Buy that stuff. I'll see you on the next episode. Tomorrow, we're gonna have something different. So these 10 episodes are not gonna be day after day after day. Tomorrow we're gonna have something different, and then maybe in 2 days or 3 days time, you're gonna have another KickNBassGel episode, okay? So stay tuned. Tomorrow is always a surprise. Bye.